Hey guys, welcome back to GeoBuzz, the source for the buzz in the geospatial, insurance, construction, and AI industries. I'm Adeline.
And I'm Roman.
Welcome back.
Thank you. And thanks for the shout out last week.
Of course, no problem.
Well, it's good. Sure is good to be back. It really is. And there's some exciting stuff this week on GeoBuzz. The costs for preparing the U.S. as the sea levels continue to rise, and the company taking on Google Street View.
Wow, that's great. We also look at some innovative and some mildly terrifying aircraft that were at EAA AirVenture this year. And we start taking a look at the Geomni Mobile App for our tech tip. Roman, would you like to do the honors?
Oh yeah. Roll it.
We've wrapped up trade shows for the next little while, but September is going to be a pretty busy month. We've got 3 trade shows coming up all around the exact same time.
Yeah, we've got the Texas Roofing Conference, or RCAT, in Austin, InsurTech Connect in Las Vegas, and Solar Power International in the great town up north, Salt Lake City.
Hey, all these shows will be within a week of each other, so make sure you schedule well. Shows will be starting on September 18th and continuing until the 26th.
And in hurricane news, nothing. We'll just keep going. You know, it's nice to not have to talk about disasters and the unfortunate things that happen to people.
Yes, it is. It's really nice. According to a report from the Center for Climate Integrity and Resilient Analytics, getting the U.S. ready for rising sea levels is going to be a little pricey. That is, if you consider $400 billion a little pricey.
Yeah, and 50,000 miles of coastal barriers will need to be built across the 22 states. The report says that it will need to be completed within the next 20 years, and that's half the time it took to build the U.S. highway system.
Wow.
But no rush if you're living on the coast, if you want to be living in the middle of a natural swimming pool.
No thanks.
A company called Nexar is taking on Google Street View when it comes to getting around. Instead of looking at images taken months or years earlier, Nexar's network of Dashcams takes real-time images and metadata to relay information to drivers about dangers on the road ahead.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That information can also include the most dangerous intersections, road blockages, missing road signs, and much more. Supposedly, the company is anonymizing the images and data so that faces, license plates, and drivers, and so on, can't be identified. Right now, Nexar is piloting this system in New York City, with plans to expand throughout the U.S. EAA AirVenture, a week-long event focused on innovations in the aircraft industry, and wrapped up on July 28th. This year was one of the most well-attended years, and showed some really innovative aircraft and some great guests. That included Bud Anderson, a triple ace of World War II, and Michael Collins of the Apollo 11 mission. There were VTOL air taxis, personal commuter aircraft that can land you right into your driveway, the first electric jetpack, and so much more. It'll be exciting to see what's new at AirVenture 2020.
Moving from manned aircraft to drones, the first autonomous drone delivery between hospitals in Sweden took place last month, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. There are around 7,400 transportations that happen each year between 3 of Gothenburg, Sweden's major hospitals. Imagine what could happen during time-sensitive deliveries like sending blood bags or lab samples. You could completely avoid rush hour traffic jams. Drone technology has come a long way already, and it's exciting to see how it continues to develop. Welcome to this week's Tech Tip. We'll be talking about the Geomni Mobile App. To get the Geomni Mobile App, you'll need to get it from the Google Play or Apple App Store. And once you have it downloaded, click the app, and it'll ask you to sign in. If you don't already have an Xactimate username or password, then go ahead and click the Get User ID or Register button. You'll create an account. And then you'll return to the Geomni app. You'll enter the sign-in page, put in your user ID, then hit next. You'll enter your password. Then you'll click login. And once you're in the app, you'll be able to create new projects and see existing ones if you have them already. We'll have more tech tips on the Geomni Mobile App in the future, so keep an eye out for those.
And that does it for this week. Thanks for joining us. It's always nice to have Roman back with us too.
Oh, thank you.
Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new video. And also follow us on social media so you can keep up on the latest and greatest in tech. Until next time, I'm Adeline.
And I'm Roman. Stay fly, digital world.